come around, but don't get me wrong. Do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do. I feel it.
Hello beautifuls and welcome to my YouTube channel Knowing an Angel. I am super excited because I'm gonna be using this beautiful palette, the 351 Icy Fantasy, and let me tell you, it's so beautiful. Look at these beautiful pastel colors. I am so obsessed with it. Matte colors, some beautiful sparkling colors and shimmering colors. I am so obsessed with this palette. It's just so beautiful. So if you want to see how I did this beautiful look today, please stay tuned and I'm gonna tell you exactly how I did it. Mwah.
Take it to the big scene, take it all. Go for hope and glory. Go, go long. Baby, for love. Go for love. We're going for beating hearts off the charts. Love. Go all for love. We're going for love. Baby, going for love. Baby, for love. Take it to the big scene, take it all.
Wow, look at this color, how pretty, I love it.
Beating hearts off the charts. Take it to the big scene, take it all. Go for hope and glory. For beating hearts off the charts. I bet you'll come around, but don't get me wrong. Do what you gotta do. Baby, for love. Go all for love. We're going for love. For beating hearts off the charts. Love. Go all for love. We're
I might do eyeliner, I'm not sure yet, but we might.
going for love.
Oh,
Hearts off the charts. Love. Go all for love. We're going for love. Baby, going for love. Baby, for love. Beating hearts. Do what you gotta do. Baby, for love, go all for love. We're going for love.
Well, beautifuls, and just like that, I'm done with this video. As you can see, I'm so obsessed with the color. Everything is so beautiful. The eyelashes, oh my goodness, look at these lashes. They're giant, so beautiful. Oh, well, I am super happy with the palette. Totally recommended the ICY Fantasy 351 Love Set by Morphe. Totally recommended. Go play with it. The colors are so easy to play with, to blend. I'm obsessed with it. So I hope you like this look. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know down below in the comments what looks do you like to see, what colors do you like, what do you think about this particular look, and so. Oh, well, kisses, babies, and I see you super soon here in my channel, Knowing an Angel. Oh.